In this video I'll show you how to turn dry fluorescent pigment into usable acrylic paint by effectively wetting the pigment first to eliminate clumping. Some things you will need include a glass muller and plate, pigment powder, Orotan 731K dispersant from Kramer Pigments, or a DIY dispersant consisting of water, propylene glycol, and non-ionic surfactant. And at least painting palette knife along with acrylic medium of your choice. With pigment powder piled on the glass slab, I start this art party by adding a few drops of my Orotan 731K to the pigment. Using the palette knife, I mix and fold until all particles are wetted. Next, I use the glass muller to disperse. Now it's time to add the acrylic medium and test it out. Pretty smooth here. As you can see, it covers well and makes decent washes as well. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Interesting experiment on the bottom. I used acrylic gel medium. The texture really pops for me here. Can wait to apply this to a white painted metal panel. Next, I will repeat, but this time use fluorescent green powder pigment instead. For this green paint I used a thinner medium. I find the green is a little darker and mixing in a little titanium white might be beneficial here. But I like the thinned out wash here though. Oops, looks like I messed up. Seems I put too much dispersant into my dry pigment. I just thought I would share my experience with you to help you troubleshoot. I really hope you enjoyed this video. There are links in the description that might be helpful to you. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments of what pigments you would like to see made into paint.